You
All
smart.
right, let's go.
You smart.
Don't ever play you
Very
smart.
smart.
All right, so today is the 29th. We are doing multiplying polynomials.
We're gonna work.
And today's essential question is, how can you multiply two polynomials? How can we multiply them together? You've seen this before, sort of. You did it with regular numbers. Now it's trying to bring in the letters, your variables. So, what we're going to learn today, because you're going to learn today, we're going to learn about binomials and trinomials. Yes. We're going to learn that today. So, in that warm-up that you had, what did you have to know?
Distributive property.
From greatest.
No, you have to know what went in front, like the greatest value.
Okay, the degree, and Angela said combining like terms, so that's what we have to know. That's from previously. You already know how to do that. So now we're going to introduce you to the word FOIL.
FOIL?
FOIL.
I seen it on a video. It was like, if you're not comfortable with the FOIL method or something.
Yes, the FOIL method is very easy. There are two different types of methods. I'm going to first do the FOIL method today. And I'm going to show you a box method on Monday. But the FOIL method is something what I used back in the day, because yes, they did this in ancient times. I ain't that ancient. But the FOIL method is just the same thing as saying you're going to use the distributive property. We're going to make it rain today. So to do that, we're going to need some binomials. Now, binomials means I have two terms. That's all it means. Just means two. I got two terms in my parentheses. I'm going to multiply them to another one.
I remember it because bi means like, you know what that means. Bi.
OMG. Okay, x minus 2 times x minus 1. We're just going to use the distributive property. That's all we're using. FOIL means I'm going to multiply the first term in each of my binomials. So that means I'm going to multiply x times x, which is
X squared.
x squared. Then the O represents, I'm going to multiply my first term times my last term. So I'm going to take this and multiply it to negative 1, which is
Negative x.
Negative x. Then the I stands for, I'm going to multiply the inside terms, these two inside terms together.
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x. Then the L represents, I'm going to multiply the negative, this negative 2 times the last term, which is plus 2. So we just did the distributive property using FOIL, and now we're going to combine like terms. What can I combine?
The x.
Right, so negative x and a negative 2x is what?
Negative 3x.
So my answer is a x squared minus 3x plus 2. And this is called a trinomial. Hey, good job. 2 points, y'all. All right. We got 3 terms. Questions? Let's try another one. Then we'll let you do one by yourself. I have a minus 1 times 2a plus 5. Now again, I'm still using FOIL. I'm going to multiply the first two terms, a times 2a, which gives me 2a squared. I'm then going to go into the O, so that's the first term times the outside term, so that's a times 5, so that's 5a. Then the inside term, negative 1 times 2a, which is negative 2a, and then negative 1 times 5, which gives me negative 5. So, do I have anything to combine?
Like terms.
Which are?
5a, negative 2a.
Which is?
Negative 3a.
So I have 2a squared plus 3a minus 5 is my answer. Questions?
Nope.
So you're ready to do this on your own, right?
How do you do it on the with the triangles and figures and things like that? I was not.
I'm not there yet.
For real?
Yes, ma'am.
Trinomial is something like
It's
that.
easy.
It can be equal to, or is that like something you can try?
Yes, this is something that this is equal to both of these. This is the product of that. You are correct. Anything else? Okay, so you ready to do, you're going to do 2 of them on your own. Here we go. You got this. Here's your first one. B minus 3 times B plus 2. And then your other one is 3n minus 4 and n plus 1.